4 key points towards successful annual filing of requirements. After successfully incorporating a company in Singapore, a business owner must pay attention to the importance of compliance with annual regulatory requirements. These requirements are not designed to cause inconvenience but rather, to ensure that there is continuous business transparency and accountability that can benefit the company, its investors, and all its stakeholders alike. Why comply with the requirements? Diligent filing of annual regulatory requirements is essential for 2 reasons. First, it provides potential investors and future collaborative partners a clear and concise view of the company's financial standing. Second, it eliminates the possibility of having directors and officers of the company to accrue legal consequences, including payment of a penalty according to the rule of law. All private limited companies in Singapore, both active and dormant, are required to file annual regulatory requirements issued by the Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority, ACRA. Here are 4 key points to consider in order for a successful annual filing of requirements. Preparation of financial statements. The annual financial statements of a company should reflect all financial activities during that particular accounting year as mandated by the Financial Reporting Standards of Singapore. Annual General Meeting, AGM. After company incorporation in Singapore, it is required to conduct an annual general meeting, AGM, once every calendar year. AGMs can be done outside Singapore unless explicitly stated in the company's Memorandum and Articles of Association, M&AA. Filing of Estimated Chargeable Income, ECI. This pertains to the estimated taxable income of a company after the deduction of its tax allowable expenses for the year of assessment. The Estimated Chargeable Income, ECI, is a requirement by the Inland Revenue Authority of Singapore, IRAS, for all Singapore companies only. All Singapore companies with responsibility to file the ECI must do so within 3 months of their financial year end. Audit of financial statements. This is applicable to companies with at least 2 of the following characteristics. With 50 or more employees, with total assets beyond 10 million Singapore dollars, and with total annual revenue beyond 10 million Singapore dollars. Repercussions for unsuccessful compliance. If a company defaults on any of the annual regulatory requirements, this could cause a number of problems such as legal reprimands from the ACRA and IRAS, including steep penalties to each company director. When this happens, both directors and employees are distracted from their specific duties and responsibilities, which could hamper business operations. Prudence and sensibility dictate that a professional corporate services provider is a must for the company's successful annual filing of requirements. You can rely on the team of experienced specialists of Corporate Services Singapore provide you with necessary information and timely reminders to avoid any gap on your corporate compliance, so you can focus your commitment in running your business successfully. Contact us for more details.